In this short video, I will show you how to share audio file from Telegram to WhatsApp in iPhone. So as you can see right now, I'm in my Telegram app and here's I'm in a chat or conversation, and here's I received a audio or voice message. And now to directly share the audio from Telegram to WhatsApp without saving, all you have to need is press on the audio and just tap on select. And if you want, you can share multiple audios. Just go ahead and select them, and now just tap on the share icon, and here you have to search for WhatsApp and just tap on WhatsApp and select the contact whom you want to share the audio. Tap on next and just tap on send and done. Now I'm going to my WhatsApp and opening the chat, and here as you can see I've successfully shared 2 audios from my Telegram app. So this is how we can do it. If this video helped you out, please leave a like and leave a comment down below. Thank you for watching.